to yet another fresh with you on I Am Ilhan. Today I am sharing with you my indoor plants arrangements. A few shelves and stand in which I have arranged the plants. These stands are made of scrap wood. The video that makes this is on our second channel. The link can be given in the description box and can be viewed by those who are interested. This is a hanging pot stand which is hung on the sit-out. It is designed to hold small pots in 3 layers. This is another wall hanging stand. It is screwed to the wall. This is a vertical pot stand. It is made on the model of a ladder. I put glass bottles in it. It is a stand that can be placed on the floor. It also has 2 layers. This is the plant shelf in the hall, made like a box with 3 layers. I have put a few more books in it. This is the last stand I show, but this stand was made first. I don't know the shape of this stand. You will understand when you see it. This is a very beautiful stand. I love to see the money plant hanging down. Friends, our video is winding up. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and comment your opinion. If you are watching the video without subscribing to the channel, please subscribe and support. Then we will see in another beautiful video. Thank you so much. Take care and bye.